Welcome to Countryside Rental LLC, your trusted partner for roll-off dumpster rentals in Kenyon, Minnesota. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning up your yard, or managing a construction site, we've got the perfect solution to handle all your waste management needs. Our roll-off dumpsters come in a variety of sizes to suit any project. We can handle everything from small home cleanouts to large construction debris. Our friendly team is dedicated to providing prompt, reliable service, ensuring your project stays on track. At Countryside Rental LLC, we understand that every project is unique. That's why we offer flexible rental periods and competitive pricing tailored to meet your specific needs. Our process is straightforward, no hidden fees, no surprises. Safety and environmental responsibility are our top priorities. We ensure that your waste is disposed of in compliance with all local regulations, giving you peace of mind. With Countryside Rental LLC, you're not just renting a dumpster but choosing a partner who cares about our community and the environment. Ready to start your project? Call us today at 507-298-0950 and let Countryside Rental LLC take care of all your dumpster rental needs in Kenyon, Minnesota. Visit us at www.countrysidedumpsterrental.com to learn more about our roll-off dumpster rental services and find the perfect fit for your project. Whether you're in Kenyon or the surrounding areas, make your next project a breeze with Countryside Rental LLC.